Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Cheers anyway. So I'm just trying to make my pasta. Well, tonight my dinner pasta. So I'm just using this mackerel fillet. I was about weeks ago. I'm just cutting fillet. I took bone and easy to make. This one is frozen one, but now it's already defrost. But easy to make. So making fish, tomato sauce, spaghetti with mushroom. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make it. Spaghetti. This is a spaghetti, not spaghettini. That's a little bit hot type of pasta. I think it takes about 7 minutes. It's hot al dente. So I'm secret Nampula. I love this kind of fish sauce. Deep flavor from sea. So you can use some can of the tuna, and very easy to make this kind of sauce. The same way, this mackerel and small one, I'm just cutting fillet because sometimes I'm just checking in the market some Japanese fish section. So it depends on the season. Some small Japanese horse mackerel, very cheap. That's why I'm just cutting fillet and keeping in my fridge and making now this kind of fish sauce with tomato and garlic and chili. It's very tasty. You can make any kind of fish. For example, if you get some sardines, it's okay, but it's a bone, Fish bone is some people doesn't like it. It's like a little bit. So you just are making like a fillet, cut off the bone, and keep some tray in your freezer and keep a fish fillet, then making this kind of sauce. Eat some hot al dente. Alright. juice, 50 cc. Okay, done. Heating up, serving plate, pasta. Wow. Big pot. Fish, tomato sauce, garlic flavor, spaghetti. いただきます。This is my dinner. That's what I want. Wow, fish flavor mixed up with tomato and garlic sauce. It's so good. So tasty. Kind of like just make from tuna in the can, then mix up tomato sauce and garlic and chili, and little bit secret flavor from nampra. You can make it almost same taste. Cheers. Maybe, I guess you surprised this kind of taste. Thank you, fish from Japanese sea. I love seafood. It's a good seafood pasta. I'm really recommend it. Please try it. It's not so difficult. I'm just giving you a hint how to make it. So thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Thank you. Bon appetit. Have a good year. Fish, tomato sauce, garlic, chili flavor pasta. Bye.